If a humble watermelon, something you'd find at a summer picnic, could somehow arrive at Earth traveling at the speed of light, the world you recognize would be rewritten in a single catastrophic breath. Wild, right? This isn't just about a big splash, it's about unlocking the universe's most extreme physics. So let's peel back the rind on this mind-bending scenario and see what really happens when ordinary fruit hits near light speed. Before we dive deeper, subscribe now if you enjoy this kind of thinking. The journey begins with Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. As anything nears light speed, its kinetic energy rockets upward, and from the outside, its effective mass seems to soar toward infinity. At light speed, the watermelon wouldn't just be heavy, it would be a vessel crammed with almost limitless energy. So, what happens the moment this cosmic fruit makes contact? The instant it hits our atmosphere, it wouldn't slice through the air. It would collide with air molecules with such intensity that it rips reality into a superheated state of matter called plasma. This isn't an impact, it's a detonation. Yikes. But fascinating. The energy unleashed would be millions of times greater than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. The initial blast would instantly vaporize entire continents, turning rock and water into incandescent gas. From the point of impact, a colossal shockwave would race around the globe, a wall of unstoppable force traveling faster than the speed of sound. Following the shockwave, the sheer energy would superheat our planet's gaseous envelope, stripping the atmosphere completely away. Our blue sky would be gone in an instant. Hard to imagine. But what a lesson in physics. The sky would become a blinding, white-hot inferno before the planet cools rapidly into a silent, frozen ruin. The oceans would boil away, and the immense energy release would trigger geological chaos. Astonishing power, right? In this apocalyptic aftermath, there would be no survivors. Our satellites, our cities, and every species that ever called this planet home would be utterly erased, leaving behind a sterilized, desolate rock. Thankfully, this is just a thought experiment. But here's the crucial twist. This can't actually happen. According to the laws of physics, an object with mass, like a watermelon, can never reach the speed of light. It would require an infinite amount of energy to get there. Phew. So this entire scenario is a thought experiment, a tool scientists use to explore the absolute limits of physical laws. It's a reminder of how dramatically energy outpaces our everyday intuition, and that's wonderful for learning. Perhaps the real mystery is why our intuition fails so completely when energy climbs beyond imagination. This exercise in cosmic destruction teaches us that the principles governing the universe are often far stranger than we can grasp. And that's exciting. It's a reminder to stay curious and appreciate that in ordinary objects lie the secrets to understanding the cosmos. So, the next time you're at a picnic, no need to fear an apocalyptic doomsday delivered by a piece of fruit. You just have to worry about the much more realistic catastrophe of sticky hands and a ruined blanket. Fun times. And that, in a melon rind, is the beautifully catastrophic math of a light-speed fruit. Pretty delightful to ponder.
If this made you think, there's more waiting for you. Subscribe and drift into deeper thoughts.